Hi, I'm Dan Boden from Abode Financial Planning. If you're a high-earning professional or a business owner in your 40s to 60s, pension rules can be an absolute nightmare. But with some careful planning, you can turn these rules to your advantage. I'm going to share a few strategies and some things that you need to avoid to take control of your financial future. Each year, you can contribute up to £60,000 or 100% of salary, whichever is lower. So try to use as much of that as you can. And remember, higher and additional rate taxpayers can reclaim extra tax relief via self-assessment. And if you haven't used all of your 60k allowance in the previous 3 tax years, you can carry it forward to contribute more, providing, of course, this is affordable. The lifetime allowance is gone now, so there's no longer a limit that you can add to your pension. But the amount that you can take out tax-free is capped at 268,275. Next, watch out for the tapered annual allowance. Once your income increases past £260,000 a year, your annual allowance can shrink to as low as £10,000. This is a common pitfall and catches lots of people out, so make sure you've got your sums right before you're making a contribution. If you do go over your adjusted limit, you'll pay a tax charge on the excess. So be mindful of any pay rises or bonuses that you might be getting and adjust your contributions to stay within your limits. If you're a company owner or a director, consider paying the pension contributions through the business. It's usually highly tax efficient to do so. Employer contributions are not capped by your personal salary. So the company can still put up to the 60k cap, providing this hasn't been reduced. Those contributions are normally an allowable business expense. So that means that a £60,000 contribution could knock off £15,000 off the company's corporation tax bill. Huge saving. Use your bonus wisely. If you're set to receive a big bonus, why not speak to HR and see if you can put the bonus straight into your pension rather than receiving it as cash and having up to 40 to 45% tax deducted from this. This move cuts your immediate tax bill and might keep your income under key thresholds, like reducing it under £100,000 to preserve your personal allowance, or £260,000 threshold, which would reduce your pension annual allowance. In short, you're turning a heavily taxed bonus into extra retirement savings with full tax relief. Despite all the changes, pensions are still by far one of the best ways to secure yours and your family's financial future. So if you want a personalised chat about your situation, visit our website and book a call. Hope you found it useful. Take care.